I got a really cool package in the mail today. It's from Hitchcox Motorcycles, a well-known UK brand that makes these amazing exhausts for all kinds of motorcycles, but especially for Triumph. Now, I got a Triumph Scrambler 1200x 2024 model, and I ordered a really cool black exhaust from them. And today, in this video, we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to install the exhaust together with an exhaust wrap. And if you stick around till the end, we're also going to do a sound comparison with the stock exhaust. Alright, so what do I think about the Hitchcox Motorcycles exhaust for my Triumph Scrambler 1200x? Well, what you might have guessed, it's super positive. The exhaust is really beautiful. The installation was really a breeze. I think that anybody with a little bit of knowledge on motorcycle maintenance can super easily install this exhaust. For me, it took a little bit longer because I also did some exhaust wrapping, which was a little bit of a pain. But I think it was worth it in the end. But the Hitchcox Motorcycles exhaust, the installation itself is really easy. I had a little bit of a problem with one of the bolts, of which the threading was a little bit faulty, which was on my part. So I re-tapped it a little bit, and now the bolt is fixed in place. I think there are three things that I really like about this exhaust and which really stand out to me. One is obviously the sound. It is really amazing, especially on deceleration with the pops and bangs this thing makes. It is really awesome, and it makes riding so much more fun to me. I have the silent version installed, so the silent dB killer. For me, it's plenty of loud enough. It's really loud enough, especially when you're riding in cities. I think it's not too obnoxious, but it's really punchy, it's really raw. It makes heads turn, which is nice. The other thing that I really want to mention is the lightness of the exhaust itself. So I think you save about 4 or 5 kilograms, I think, in total. And you really notice it when you're riding this motorcycle, especially doing little maneuvers like getting your bike out of the garage or doing tight turns or something. The bike feels much more nimble to me, more agile. And the third thing that I really want to mention is the throttle response. So because I have a Scrambler 1200x 2024 model, this exhaust also functions as a decap. So this means that the throttle response is much better. So yeah, those are my 3 positive points about the Hitchcox Motorcycles exhaust. It is really expensive, especially if you live in Europe like me, but I would say it is worth every penny or euro in this instance. So highly recommended. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I think I will make a raw sound video when I'm driving through the city of Ghent, maybe with a buddy of mine. But thank you for watching. Until the next one.